Stamps by Chloe is a brand new magazine and box kit, and you can tell it because it comes in a box like this. Now this is the 5th one that Chloe has done, and let me show you what a treasure trove this is. She has, of course, a magazine. Now what's different about these box kits is that every project in the magazine uses the products that are included, so that's pretty wonderful. Now you're going to get, do you see this card? Well, those aren't individual cutting dies. It's one cutting die. This one just makes that swerve, that curve piece of art. And then there's an additional dragonfly separately. So that's part of it. Also, there is an embossing folder. And you know, when I first saw this, I thought, well, I wonder why it's got all those bits and pieces. But I'll show you why as we get into the projects. In addition, I'm not done yet, there's also these stamps, and they're all very flowers. You've got more dragonflies, you've got words, happy birthday, thinking of you, with love, all very, very useful. And there is a stencil, and it's got circles and dots and more. There's also papers. There are 13 double-sided papers. These are all A4 size, pretty light colors, so very useful, as you can see. In addition, there's also 48 cutouts. So you can see that they're here again, very soft colors. And on the back side of this, they're also printed. So, you know, if you don't want to use something, you've still got the paper to be used. So there we've got the other sheet, and then everything gets duplicated, and we're back to the very first one. So 13 papers, 48 cutouts, stamps, stencil, embossing folder, cutting dies. Oh my goodness, what else could you have? Let's get into the magazine and see what ideas Chloe and the team has. Now here is a listing of all of the things, and it tells us if you want to download extra copies of those papers, that's where you go. So that's nice to know. And again, here's just an overview of all the things that are included. And we'll get started now. You can turn that cutting die on its side to go at the top and the bottom of a card. Now that's something I don't know that I would have thought of. And here it is on a card, but then a little tag is also shown there with some of the stamps on it. So that's nice. And here, this is going all the way around a circle card. Very fun. And this is called stunning stamping, where we're doing layering here just to really give it some pop. And you can see more is going on here on top of one of the cutouts. And there we go. You can see just beautiful. Now we'll have to get a little bit closer. This is such light colors, and you can see that part of that stencil was used at the top and the bottom, and then those flowers are beautifully done. It looks to me like that's using vellum. No, it's heat-resistant acetate. Aha, good thing we carry that, isn't it? Now let's go, and you can see even more. Isn't that beautiful? Putting all of those stamps together in many different ways. Really lovely to see. And wow, look at that. That is a proliferation of dragonflies, dragonfly dreams. They are beautiful. And each is individually and separately done, giving you some ideas right on the side. And then you're going to get step-by-step instructions to recreate every single one. Now the instructions are going to be in inches, or they're going to be in centimeters. It just depends on what the designer was comfortable using. So you can see that they're all right there. And here we have more of the stamps in combination with that stencil, and in combination with the cutting die. I love the fact that you're going to get lots of different ideas. So this is using the embossing folder, so that's fun to see. And look at this with that stencil in the back. Now sometimes they call them masks, so just know that it's a mask is really a stencil, and they're calling these for masculine cards. So dragonflies work beautifully that way. And you see what else I've got tabbed here. I just go through and tab the things that really strike my fancy. You're going to have other opinions, so there's going to be lots of pages that you're going to go, wow, I love that. Why didn't she highlight that one? Well, you know, there's only so much time, but look at those. Isn't that just stunning? Love the dragonfly all glittered with glitter. And we've got more. Now, this is using the papers in some very creative ways. I love that. It's beautiful to see. I really do like that smaller piece on top of the card itself. That's a really nice design. Now, this is a focus on stenciling, as you can see, and we've got that beautiful stencil included, and there's some step-by-step ideas for you to duplicate or just to look at. And here we've added more of those circles on top of our flowers, as you can see. Really, really pretty to combine the flowers with those dragonflies. It's gorgeous. You know, we tend to think so much of butterflies, but it's nice to give the dragonflies kind of equal time. This is a box frame. It gives you step-by-steps. We do have our 3D frame die-cut cards, so that would make that a little bit easier. And putting the cutting dies and so forth onto cards or onto journals, covering maybe a composition book, that's nice to do because they're so inexpensive and the look is so dramatic. And we've got gift tags, and these just do a really, really nice job of having gift tags ready, and that's a good idea. And here we go with even more with heartfelt thanks. You can see, and that's included in the stamp set. And more. I've got more pages tagged. Yes, there we go. Again with this, with the stencil and with the cutouts from the paper. And even more, just lovely, lovely designs, beautifully done. And here is a little personal information from Chloe, and that's always nice to get a little bit of a flavor of the person behind the designing. So all of this is now available while supplies last. This is Chloe, Stamps by Chloe box kit with the cutting dies, the embossing folder, the stamps, the stencil, and all of those papers and the cutouts all together in one box, all ready for you and exclusively available here at paperwishes.com.